Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best garage lighting available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Lightdot Garage Bulb Light. Lightdot Garage Bulb Light. Lightdot Garage Bulb Light offers the best of both functionality and value. It starts with a wide-angle design that gives complete 360-degree coverage. 3 LED panels that can be adjusted provide a total output of 6,000 lumens, which is ideal for shops and garages that span with a total area of up in size of 600 square feet. We love the fact that every LED panel can be adjustable from 0 to 90 degrees, allowing coverage in a specific direction or full 360-degree coverage. A 5000 Kelvin color temperature is also a representation of natural daylight and is as nearly neutral you'll possibly get in comparison to the blue and yellow parts of the spectrum of color temperatures. We also appreciate the aluminum alloy housing and cooling system to improve efficiency in dissipating heat. The light also has a 50,000 hour duration, which is more than the norm for this category. Installation is simple on the side, connecting to any normal E26, E27 light socket. At number 4 is the Hykolity Linkable LED Shop Light. The Hykolity Linkable LED Shop Light features a bar light style. The 4 LED bar lights function to produce 4,400 lumens, which is ideal for shops and garages that are up in size of 500 square feet. They are also adaptable and can be hung directly from the ceiling, or hanging by using the chain pendants that come with them, which are an excellent alternative for garages with high ceilings. One of the biggest advantages is the 5000 Kelvin color temperature that is a replica of natural daylight. Another important aspect to consider with these lights is the conformity to safety standards for electrical equipment, which includes ETL accreditation, which guarantees the adherence to a lengthy list of safety standards for electrical equipment as developed in the hands of electrical testing laboratories, an internally recognized certification company. It's unfortunate the screws included to mount flush aren't among the finest in the world and may fail when installed. At number 3 on our list is the Barrina LED Integrated Garage Light. Barrina's LED Integrated Garage Light comprises a set of 6 bars with LED lights that are joined via snap joints. They provide 2,200 lumens of light per bar with only 20 watts. They are conserving as much as 65% of the energy when compared to conventional fluorescent tubes. They have a 6.500 Kelvin color temperature, is also akin to natural daylight and gives excellent coverage all around. The lighting structure is made up of polycarbonate and aluminum, and can be set up in a plug-and-play fashion using the mentioned snap joints, and then plugged into an outlet or wired directly to an electrical wall switch. If you're looking for more natural lighting for your shop, garage or basement, or any similar areas with a total of 200 square feet of space, this light is the ideal choice. Moving up at number 2 is the Tanbaby LED Garage Light. The Tanbaby's LED garage light style is inspired by that of the STRK Concepts light. However, it has 3 aluminum LED heads that can be adjusted and 100 plus bulbs to provide an output of 6,000 lumens. This light's 6,000 Kelvin color temperature provides neutral white with a hint of blue, and the adjustable wings, up to 90 degrees, permit total coverage and coverage of the spotlight in the event of need. There are no blind spots when you use this model. One of the things we love about Tanbaby LED Garage Light is its durability. Tanbaby LED Garage Light is its longevity, and it is able to disperse heat with upgraded aluminum fins, and also promises an LED lifespan of 50,000 hours. The aviation aluminum construction lets it take 1 or 2 bumps. However, it is specifically designed for shops and garages that are greater than 600 square feet. So should you have less space, the lights might not be suitable for the space you have. At number 1 is the STRK Concepts Motion Activated Garage Light. This STRK Concepts Motion Activated Garage Light is a bulb-based model that plugs directly into the overhead sockets of your garage and provides 4,000 lumens. This light is a breeze of installation and has excellent coverage of garages from 300 square feet. These lumens translate to 5 times the brightness of normal 60-watt light bulbs. However, it only consumes 24 watts of power. One of the major benefits of this lighting is the motion sensing feature that allows you to switch the light on and off. It will automatically shut off when it is not able to detect motion within 90 seconds. This can result in savings on energy. Another advantage is its compliance with OSHA regulations along with UL guidelines, which translates to safety and fire standards. The LED's lifespan of 50,000 hours means it'll last the entire time without needing replacement. So that sums of the today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.